Hello, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Bhagat, and today I came with another video. And today's topic is member title and poor stock length. So, in the member title, we can have two topics when you're going to work or when you're going to do the RC dating by using catch RC. We can use the member title with the two methods. One is set member title. Another one is assign bars to member. So when you set the member title, whatever reinforcement you are doing it, that all will be go under that member which you have set before detailing. And assign bars to member is when you have completed the RC detailing. At that time also you can use this method to just summarize all the rebar under that particular member. So we will check both. We'll see one example of both and how to use it. That also I'll show you. So when we discuss about member, before doing any rebar modeling, rebar detailing, we can just go to the CATS RC, drawbar or drawings, and we can meet the member over here. So there are two numbers, vim and column. We can select any one, click make current, and click OK. So here onwards, when I'm going to create any rebar, that rebar will come under that number. While starting a first rebar for the day, when you're going to start that rebar, at that time also this message will come for you. So right now, again, I can change the set member. So if I just made the set member one time and added a rebar after that, that number will be my typical member until unless I'll change it. So let's say this is the rebar that I'm going to add for you. And I have just added a rebar. Okay. And again, if you want to add any rebar, automatically that member is assigned here, the BIM which I have assigned. So again, right now I'm doing the BIM. But if I want to do another detailing for any other structure, I have to go again and change the set member to that particular member name. So this is the use of set member. Okay. Similarly, if you have already added the rebar and now you want to create any other BIM like B01 or something, so I can just go here and I can create my member name B02. Okay, just for an example, I'm telling you. Already you have added the rebar, so either you just go one by one and just change it. You can just change the bars from here. That is another method. You can just change the member name from here, but it is a long method. You can directly go to the CATS RC, edit day, assign bars to member. Select your members here. Okay. Click the select tick button. And we have to create a window and select all the rebar which you want to assign with that particular member name. Apply. So now all the rebars have been assigned to B02. So this is the procedure that to get the member dating or the stock length feature. Okay. So how this will help you? It will allow you to just get defined optimum length and safely handle bar length for a construction site. Okay. The default length is typically set to 12 meter. That is all, difficult requirement in our industry. That is all a standard length per meter. But it can be changed. For example, if you want to make it 9 meter, so we just made it configures and setting in the Kanchachi, and you can directly change it from there. Automatic splicing is also there. Group NDP is So that will create a V-bar in a row. I'll just show you an example of it. So let's say I have to create a BBS for this particular BIM. I can just go to the chassis, draw bar, new bar, 21. I'll put the number of bar here 4. And then we have to give the dial. Click OK. So right now, I'm just going to draw the rebar. And then you are drawing the rebar that is more than 12 meter, which is your automatic stock length. This window will pops up for you. That is over stock length feature, which is, so we are discussing. And then we can just finish it from here. So this is our feature over stock length, I think. And here we have 4 type of lab positions you can see. So this is our lab positions and 4 options. You can see the lab for no types and all the detail of all 4 types. The first one is has put the stock length, all the rebars, and remaining is runout bars, whatever segments we mean. The second one is both sides, which will have the same kind of bar, same length of bar. In between, it will just run the stock length bar. The third one is, the stock length is very initial, and middle and final bar are drawn the runout bar. And the fourth one is, as per the lab position you want to work the bar, you can directly just do that. So this is our fourth option. So we'll just select here the fourth option, which is very important. This is common also in our industry. We have circle location to provide this place. I just clicked OK, and then you select the fourth option to just ask you to select the lap line. And now this placing is done. The lead bar has been placed at this location and this location. 50% from the line, 50% left and 50% right. Okay. So when you had the V bar with the member, when you particularly assigning it, how it will show in the VBS, you can see all the V bar will be properly assigned with the bar walk, and it's summarized in the VBS output. So thank you for watching the video. Do like and subscribe for our next video. It will give you Sean.